Hey guys, Old Beater Cars here again. There's an update on the project I'm working on here. It's a early 70's, early to mid 70's Chevy 5-ton truck. It has a tow deck on the back. This is based on a 1-to-1 scale truck. I have some pictures I got offline, so I'll show you what I've done here so far on this build. The cab I altered, put on wider custom made fenders at the front, custom made grille, custom made fuel tanks. You know, I've had to rescribe the headlines. Oops, there's another party of dirt. See that or not? I had to rescribe the different lines of the hood. So that's that there. There's a tow deck. Alter 2. Get more storage in there. There's a light bar. Winches in. I'm still working on that. Still have to build the rear tow bar. They call it a stinger. Do that there. Here's the other part that goes in the back, like that. So I'm working on that there too. Frame. There's a frame. It's gonna be a 4x4 tow truck, so single rear axle. Excuse me. The engine I'm not quite done yet. I just kind of got them mocked up in there. So on this frame here, I came out another kit I had. Put it here so you can maybe see it better. I've had length in it quite a bit. So that's that there. Here's the dually rims. Something I learned here from Dr. Cranky. This is actually kind of rather interesting. Oops, sorry. Make noise. For a while there, I was dechroming chrome rims to get them to dechrome them, repaint them, like, you know, kind of a flat aluminum color. And then I seen Dr. Cranky use dull coat on chrome rims. Gives them kind of a dull finish. I don't know if you see that detailing or not, but it's not shiny, it's dull. So I thought I'd use on this project, because I mean, how often you see aluminum rims that are shiny? I mean, I've never seen them that way. I've always seen them kind of dull. So I did that trick on there. Oh, pardon me. So I'll show you the detail here. I'll show you the rims on the frame. Here's to get an idea. Now, how cool is that? Looks pretty cool. Those dull rims on there, heavy 1-ton or bigger rims. I used the original kit. I didn't use the original tires from the kit. The tow truck kit came with some different tires. They're a little bit bigger. Looks pretty cool. I'm going to put the cab on here. So to do all the mounting for that on there and everything. And now that's what you call a tow truck. I still have to work on this back here, a little more, so it sits more level to the ground with the cab. But it's pretty cool. I like it the way it stands with that stance. It's pretty cool. Yeah. So anyway, that's another update on the project I'm working on. Stay tuned for some updates on that one. Bye for now.